Hey guys, and welcome to another week of UC Chemicals tutorial for UCLA. Today we're going to be covering adding a chemical to your inventory. Before we begin, we want to make sure that a sublocation has been set within our lab locations. You can do this by going to the inventory summary page and going all the way to the bottom section for sublocations. Sublocations must be set to be able to add a chemical to your inventory. Once we make sure that sublocations are assigned to our labs, we're going to go ahead and click the Add a Chemical button. Here you can do a search for the chemical by multiple means. I'm going to go ahead and just type the chemical name that I'm going to be adding. Once I find the proper chemical, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. You'll see multiple options for the chemical. Go ahead and choose the one that is what you're looking for. And underneath the basic information for that chemical you're adding, go ahead and add container. Here we're going to be putting in the information for our chemical. You'll notice that if you start adding information that is not what the system is asking for, you'll get an error message. That's okay. Go ahead and fix it and move on to the next section. Once I'm done assigning the container information for this chemical, I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click Save. It's going to take us back to the home page. To make sure that chemical was added, I'm going to click on Inventory Summary, and you can see that I have added a container there. If it's missing a barcode, you'll also notice that the error is here. I can click on that and look at what chemicals need updating. That's it for adding a chemical for UCLA. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.